working. Because now it falls to the side.
Oh, it's okay. Good morning, good afternoon, good morning to you, and you, and you, and you, and you, and the fishes too, and you, and you, and you. Hey, good morning. Nigel, what do we got going on over here? What do we got going on over here? Some aquaponics. Thanks to our friends Teresa and Matt. My God. When they first gave us this, we were like, oh, God, what are we supposed to do with this? It's huge. But, yes. Put it all together. Nigel did. Yes, growing some callaloo. What else are we want in here, Nigel?
Some callaloo and peppers for now.
What happened to those potatoes that were in here? Those sweet potatoes. Oh, over there. I see them.
In the ground.
I see them.
Because that's a ground food, so it needs earth growing.
Oh, okay.
And the onions and the garlics.
Oh.
In the ground.
So you call those ground food because they grow underground.
They need the soil, yeah.
They need the soil. Okay, so they won't work in here. No. Okay.
At least I don't think so.
Okay. So we have some fish in here. About how many fish you have in here, Nigel? I can't see them.
Overall about 65.
About 65? Wow. I don't see them at all. I guess they're down there hiding. Hey, princess.
Maybe if you give them a little something to eat, you'll see them.
Okay. You want to do that? Oh, you got the food. Okay. Let's see. All right. Let's see if we can see the fish.
I don't know.
Because they already ate, didn't they?
Yeah. It's going to take a little while for them to come up. We got to realize it's there. You got to be silent. Don't bounce anything because it makes them nervous.
Okay. Okay, while we're waiting for the fish to come up, we'll take a little tour.
Here they come.
Just goldfish. They're for... Okay, let's see. We found him.
There.
Yeah, I see.
Here's one. There's a bunch of them.
Yeah, I see.
And only a few goldfish, but
I see them now.
Here they comes. Yeah.
So,
You see them?
yes, I know. Someone said what kind of fish, and then tell them what the purpose is of the fish.
Well, from my understanding, it's you're using the manure from the fish, right? So the fish, they live in there. They, just like they would. There's a pump in the water that takes the water from down there and put it up here. So come over here. There's the water. So that's the water from down there. That's not from the pipe. So what that does is it circulates underneath, on the roots of the plant. You can see there is the water there. So it circulates on the root of the plant, and then the plants eat the fish poop. So the next move to do now...
Are the plants going to taste like fish?
No. The next move to do now, they just eat the minerals out of it. That's all they do. So the next move to do now is to get some worms and put up here. So what the worms are going to do, they're going to eat the roots of the plant and then poop that out. And then the current of the water will take it through here and send it back down into here. And then that's going to be food for the fish. So I won't have to be giving them this stuff.
Wow. Wow.
So that's the system going, and then you're gonna have little bugs or whatever come up here. They fall into there. They just go down there, and the fish is gonna eat them too. So
Now,
it's like a
you
natural
never really
ecosystem.
explained that to me before like that.
I'm learning
Oh.
about it as I go along. So yeah,
You know what? Yeah, I do.
I don't know what I'm doing. That's the thing.
No, but you do.
I'm figuring it out as I go
True,
along.
true.
Yeah.
Okay, so over here we got going on. It's gonna build some chalkboards,
Yep.
frame up some chalkboard and whiteboard. I see you got your red stripe.
Yes,
Boom.
I do. Little vibe going on.
Uh-huh. Okay, thank you. Thank you for being on our live with us. And we're living in abundance today. We're living in abundance. And we're just coming on to encourage everybody. Live in abundance. Don't go clear off any shelves or anything like that. It's not necessary. We're all right. You know? If you have pepper, onion, garlic, tomato, grow some food, man. Even if you live in a small apartment, just do a little patch.
Yeah, man.
Huh, talk to him, Nigel.
Get some pots, get some tires, whatever, cut them out.
But if they live in a little apartment, let's say.
Or if you live in a little apartment, you can grow it in some pots. You know, grow a tomato tree, grow something. You know that you can put in your mouth. It's necessary.
Amen. So we're in abundance in every single area. So also in our business, we have a lot of products that we were supposed to take with us to different shows, and you know, you guys already know. So we're having a sale. It's buy one get one. So all you have to do is enter the code BOGO. Shop from home. You know, we know everybody's chilling at home today. We're just, we're trying to get everything under control. But anyway, buy one, get one, because we're living in abundance. I should change the code to abundance. Huh. I think I'm going to. Yeah. Okay, so.
I like the sound of that.
Huh, me too. All right, you guys, we'll check you in a little bit. Stay good, stay safe, stay calm. No need to panic. Just, think of things that you can do to be prepared, Not prepared in a way where you just have like a million groceries. Okay, that's good, but, how are you preparing your mind?
Yeah, and I mean, we all play a little part, So, like on the news, they say if you have it, to self-quarantine. But what about, and this is just my thoughts, what about self-quarantining so that you don't get it? Nobody's saying anything about that, so I think that makes a lot of sense, if you can. So it's all about, what can we do as an individual, because this thing is spreading from people to people. So from what the professionals are saying, it's spreading from people to people. So how can we all help so that it doesn't take over the society and be like, like on the movies, like Resident Evil or something like that, So how can we all prevent that from happening? And is by, just taking charge of the little bit that we can do, and protect our family and ourselves.
And then together, it'll all work out.
Yeah, because it's the little pieces that makes the big whole. So that's just how I see it.
All right, you guys. We'll leave you with that. We'll be back in a little while. Talk to you soon.